So the first thing that you want to do is you want to find your list in class climate of the participants that you want to use. So we're going to use presentation 2, and you're going to click on the CSV file. I'm going to open this up, and my suggestion is to first highlight the top row and copy it, and then just click below and right click and use the transform button or transpose button. So you can either click on this little button that says transpose, or you can click on special paste and click on transpose. This gives it to you in a nice, easy to deal with fashion. So I'm only interested in getting the responses for these questions here. So I'm going to copy these, and I'm going to paste them into a Word document. So I've already done it here. You can highlight your section that you're going to paste these into, and you're going to use the button that says overwrite cells here, and now they're pasted in there. Now notice that my shading went away for each of the rows, so you're going to put all borders. Now I put a 2-column response or 2-column chart so that I can put the responses here. In order to get the responses to come in, I'm going to just delete that because that was just so that I could get the list of questions in the other document. So here are the responses that I want to save per individual. Now you might have actual names for each of these, but my data does not, and that's all right. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this file. I'm going to just save mine on the desktop, and I'm going to call this results. And I want to replace it, and it's saying that I can't. So I'm going to just say results 2. And then once you have it saved, then you can exit out of it. And then you're going to come back to your Word document, and you're going to go to mailing, and you're going to do a mail merge. So you're going to select a recipient list, and that recipient list is going to be your data or results 2. And once you have that selected, then click on merge field, and you'll see each of the questions from that data file in your list. So what you're going to do is you're going to click in the space next to the first question, and you're going to insert the first question. And you're going to do this throughout the whole time. So each of the questions match the response that you're adding. So I just added one to the wrong spot. So you got to make sure that you insert to the next one. And then okay, so now each of these questions line up with these initial questions. So now what you're going to do is you can click on preview results. And so now it's giving you the results per person. So if your data has the person's name in it, you're going to see their response for their name right here at the top, because that will be one of your questions. And so these results don't have a name, but this is the response for just one person. And then if you wanted to have a document that has all of them, you go to print document and you say all, and you click OK. And then you want to save it to somewhere where you can find it. So I'm going to print it as a PDF because I'm not actually going to print it. And I'm going to say, okay. And I'm going to put this on my desktop. I'm going to name it something. And then I'm going to just minimize this. And I'm going to go to my desktop and find the document. It'll be easier to do it through this rather than the actual document. And so here's person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4, person 5, and person 6. So if you want them to be each individual, then you can just go to File and, or actually, I would actually do Print. So you'd go to Print, and then you would select, instead of all pages, I would do current page. And so you can just save each person's into their own file by clicking on Print. And I have the print as a PDF. And so you would just say person 1. You'd probably put the real name in there. Person 1, person 2, and so on. And then you would click Save. And so here is going to the downloads folder, which we probably won't be able to find it. So we're going to go to the desktop and say Save. So we can just see what that would look like. Now this should only have that one person's response. So you see person number 1 and you scroll all the way down and it just has their response. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you can do what you're hoping to do with these instructions. Have a great day.